In this video, while the wife and I were in South Dakota, we took a day and drove through the Badlands National Park. Here are the highlights. After exploring the Black Hills trails for about 2 days while my wife worked at the hotel, we packed up and drove an hour down Highway 90 to the Badlands National Park. The exit at Highway 240 and 90. You exit that, take a right to go down to the park. But the interesting thing about this was to the left, as you drive down Highway 240, you come across a large boondocking area. This is a free camping area for anyone in the area before you get to the Badlands National Park entrance. There's lots of spaces there, and it's a very interesting view whenever you pull over. Just as we reached the park sign, we found bison immediately. In 1963, 2 truckloads carrying 25 bisons each traveled from Theodore Roosevelt National Park to the Badlands. This early stocking of 50 bison contributes today to the herd of over 1,000 animals. The park spans approximately 244,000 acres and is renowned for its stunning vistas, diverse wildlife, and rich fossil deposits. Visitors to the park can explore a variety of activities including hiking, camping, stargazing, wildlife watching, and also learn about the region's natural and cultural history through interpretive programs and exhibits. The Badlands National Park is a mesmerizing landscape characterized by rugged terrain, eroded buttes, towering spires, and deep canyons. Its unique geological formations are predominantly made up of sediment rock, primarily sandstone and shale, which have been sculpted over millions of years by the forces of erosion. The terrain in the Black Hills was much different than what it is in the Badlands. If you'd like to see what that was like, you can watch this video here. The Ben Rifle Visitor Center sits at the south entrance of the park, offering a wealth of information and resources to make your park visit more enjoyable. Inside, you will find engaging exhibits showcasing the unique geology, diverse wildlife, and fascinating fossil discoveries that characterize the Badland region. The real stars of the show are to be able to watch the paleontologists directly work on discoveries in the park and cleaning them up and ask questions about the local wildlife and the historic value of the fossils.
We ask a question and not say anything at all.
If you enjoy videos about National Park, you may also like